Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. And the hashtag is hashtag 2023 CW Collage. And we're on number 44. And this is just a challenge where we get to use a crossword and do anything we want to. It's a freestyle. We just add the words that we want to use and decorate it however we want to. So mine says the world is full of green, and because everything looks so green and pretty here, so that's what I'm going to do. I've already inked my background and added my background paper. So now I'm going to use these images that I've been using out of the book that I've been using for the past couple of weeks. I've got it, so I want to use it. And they just have some of the prettiest little images, and I just fell in love with these little girls. So I thought they were appropriate for what I wrote on here. And I think what I'm going to do is, I never use this book very often, so I think I'm going to pull out a few of those stickers just to kind of go around. I never think to use my stickers so much. I really am not crazy about the white around them, but I will just kind of ink around them, and I think I'm going to ink around them in the book. I think it'll be easier. I can trim around it, but some of them are harder to trim around than others. So I think I'm just gonna go over them a little bit with some of my Distress Vintage Photo Oxide and just add them along. I don't mind if it kind of goes over a little bit. Of course, I ought to put down my crossword first, I suppose. I'll have to come back and glue those anyway because they don't have the best sticky on the back. Okay, put her down. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing well. Just been a little busy and struggling with being motivated to do anything. Time management seems to always be an issue with me. I feel like I'm always tired. So I haven't been getting up as early as I used to, and that bothers me. Okay. Just hit that a little bit where I need it. Okay, and now let's see what else. Pull them out without tearing them. Okay, I've got this one, and I think I want to put it down here. And I'll add my, you see, I think I want to just go around that a little bit. My little label down here helps me keep track of what's going on. When I did this, I should date all my stuff. I don't. Okay. And I like that. And I think I may add just a, maybe I've got this dragonfly. And let's see here, got another one down here. maybe some of my butterflies. Let's see what I have here. Oops, he wants to go. I don't think he goes well with it. I want something that kind of pops with it, but I might, since I've got so much green, I ought to stick with green. I don't know. Maybe not quite so big. That's it. I like that one. It's got enough yellow tint to it to where it's still green and goes, but see, that one just kind of blends. I mean, you know, it's not on it, but I like that little lighter bit of green. That's just a shade different. Let's see what this one's got some little bit of the I like that one. Maybe if I can find one more. See, that's too much like the same. So all these butterflies, I know I've got something. Here's a bigger one like that. I like that one better since I've already, I like the little one. Maybe just swap them out. I like that. Okay. Hit those around the edge. Oops. As it flies across my desk. And be sure and check out Nellie and Ruth Designs. Barbie's channel is wonderful. She is so talented. She does some of the most fun surreal collages. I enjoy them so much. Okay. Now, let me put this down. And this one down. And this one. One thing I love about these are really simple. You really, it's harder to decide what you're going to do with them than it is, you know, finding the images than actually doing the collage. All right. So I like that. I need to add in some antenna. And I think I'm going to go around my butterflies with a Stabilo All. Just to help them to pop. We finished the first season of Chance, and it was really good. I loved how it ended. From what this is a Hulu show, and from what I understand, that it's only 2 seasons long, but everybody was upset when they canceled it. So, because I think it was doing well and people liked it, but I don't know why they do that. But Hugh Laurie is a good actor. I enjoy it. I enjoy watching him. Sorry about that. My oldest son just left for work, so I'm going to tell him bye. So, I don't know what I was talking about. Probably Chance. But it was good. I like Hugh Laurie. Okay, I'm just going to go around these just to help them to pop a little bit. And I think I will do some splatters. Okay. On that sticker, it's not wanting to spread like the rest. Too messy on this one. All right. Now, let me see. Go with my gold and black. I love that little girl especially. She's so cute. All right, now my black. All right. And I think I'll call that done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. It doesn't cost anything and it sure helps my channel to grow. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. That also helps my channel to grow. And not to mention, I like to hear from you. So y'all take care. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.